Ratan. Ratan. We have that also displayed in Philippine Military Academy. Ratan. Military. See? He's wearing uniform.
Got away from it all, everything here reminds me of you.
Nice color.
I got 200 downs on a list that I will try to do. I can't see myself with anyone else. So I got you the first on a list with a pain in my heart. No matter what I'll do, I try not to fall apart. I can see you with anyone else. You feel alive when you say myself.
Oh, this is. Markets.
Yes, we came right by here.
East Georgia. Downtown. People are eating.
Hear that? That's kind of,
One thing.
I think it's
The
like
building.
a 3-wheel car.
Maybe it's in the video.
Get that.
one
This
of the two.
is where the bad boys go. This is where the bad boys go. Kingston Penitentiary. Actually, it's no longer in operation, but it was. Some of the most notorious criminals out of Canada came to Kingston Penitentiary. Maximum security. Now it's open for tours, and you can actually sleep over in it. I don't know whether I'd be that interested, but different strokes for different folks. In this case, different cells.
Got very high walls.
Yeah.
Yeah. The brick ones, no, the
Yeah,
stone ones.
stone.
Highway and the summer highway. Where are you taking me? We're going to ride that ferry. I don't know what Greg is thinking. What island is this going to?
It's just, we have ferries here too.
Look here. Oh, we're going. We're moving now. Oh my God.
During the voyage, you could be asked to wear a face mask in situations where you cannot maintain 2 meters of separation.
Is this your first ride on a car ferry in Ontario?
Yeah, I have never done this
we go. Car ferry. Car ferry ride.
With some exceptions for essential services, to self-isolate and monitor themselves.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, where did it come from?
Right across the lake there.
Oh yeah. I didn't feel it.
Hey guys, Greg and Cynthia here. We're up at beautiful lake on the mountain in Glenora. We just finished our little day tour on, in Kingston I should say. We just finished our little day tour in Kingston of
Henry.
Fort Henry. Yeah, Fort Henry, which is, you know, really quite astounding, and to think that that place was built in order to keep the damn Yankees away. Anyhow, it was very interesting, very informative, and quite a beautiful scenery there. You can understand why they put it so high up. And this is a very unique geological feature here because we've got a lake right across the road there. Interestingly enough, this lake is situated exactly 180 feet above that lake over there. That's Lake Ontario down below. This little lake over here, Lake on the Mountain, is a remnant of glacial action from some 12,000 years ago. I'll go over and read the plaque. We're going to go and have a look, and maybe we'll get one of the drones up to show you some of these amazing views here.
And across this street. And then we'll see this park right here. It looks like a very nice park, and there's a restaurant over there on that side.
It's a little lake. Very cool. I see they've got stones. Doesn't look too inviting for swimmers. Maybe that's intentional. They probably put those in to keep people from going for dips, daytime dips. It's a little bit of a path down here. Don't see any beach as such. It's kind of neat to look at. Ah, perfect. The spot here. Found the launch spot for the little drone. At any rate, going to stick Birdie up in the air. We'll grab him.
The lake
Yeah.
on top of another lake. Nice and inviting. The lake on top of another lake.
A lake on top of another lake. Are you vlogging a vlogger? You're vlogging a vlogger.
Yeah. Very nice view over here. This is the lake on the mountain. It's a small lake which is on top of this mountain. And behind it is the other lake, right behind Greg. And that over there is the Lake Ontario. Greg is just flying his drone right above the lake on the mountain. Earlier we saw a guy swimming over the lake. He just did a short swim and then he went away. So this is it. And they have a picnic table here too. It's on the other side of the lake. So this is the other lake, which is down below. This is the Ontario Lake down below.
This is a super freaking spot right here.
Yeah, look at that big bird.
Oh, that's a, yeah, you know what?
A hawk?
That looks like an eagle.
Eagle,
sweep.
yeah.
It'll take my drone out of the sky.
It's a white-head bald eagle.
White tail.
There,
Video.
there. Yeah, I am.
That's an eagle, man.
Yeah, it's an eagle.
Wow.
It's the white-head eagle. Why will it take your drone out?
Well, I might think it's predator, or might think it's prey, might think it's competition. I don't know.
It's hovering over
Right
the
where I
lake.
want to fly. Maybe I should just put the drone up and see what it does. See if it comes.
That's the ferry boat over there that we came from earlier. And it crossed this lake. This is Lake Ontario over here. The boat is moving.